police received a call reporting ugly messages scrawled on the walls of the University AME Zion Church on Middlefield Road. In opaque, the messages showed an expletive followed by "Why, Jesus, why?" Then, script that looked like it said, "God causes pain." Pastor Paloma Smith is head of Palo Alto's oldest African-American congregation. From throughout the Bay Area voiced their support. Smith says he plans to beef up security. In the Silicon Valley Bureau, Betsy Gebhardt. Everybody's getting in on the streaming act, and every service charges a fee, and it adds up.
This is painful. This is kind of borderline absurd that you have to now subscribe to all.
Like the bridge is a little overloaded today.
Is a professor at Indiana University's Kelley School of Business. He says just like piracy took hold during the post-CD world of music downloads, it likely will happen again with streaming video programs too.
Because technology is keep on changing, so whatever new technology comes out will be
lots of pedestrians.
In the piracy world as well.
Tim believes before not too long, someone will create the streaming version of cable, aggregating several content providers for one monthly or annual fee. Jeffrey Schaub, KCBS.
Local nonprofits can now apply for $1,000 mini grants in an effort to help prepare more meals to feed those in need. Grants are part of a new pilot program which will help nonprofits rent permitted commercial kitchens to prepare charitable meals. Santa Clara County Board of Supervisors President Joe Simonton says organizations can use the program up to 3 times during the trial process if needed.
One of the things today, work environment, welcoming audit that they think healthier environment for what.
Kissy, kissy.
He says nearly 15 to 20% of children alone are food secure in Santa Clara County. KCBS News Time, 2:44. Kevin will have a sports update in a minute.
Hey, Mr. Gingerbread Man.
Are happy holidays still here?
Yes, but not for long.
Oh, phew. Because everyone's trying to eat this sweet baked pot of mine, and I need something to get out of town fast.
You're in luck. You can take big with zero due for 90 days on any Honda.
For any Honda? What do you recommend for someone like me who's pretty delicate and crummy?
How about the Accord with standard Honda sensing? Our scrumptious suite of safety features. What do you think?
Here you go.
What's the bag of gold for? It's zero due for 90 days. Goodbye, you tasty looking
Mid-span.
cookie person.
Happy Honda Days sales event ends January 2nd. Hurry into your nearest NorCal Honda dealer or visit NorCalHondaDealers.com.
Deferred payments not available on leases. Interest accrues from date of purchase. Some additional restrictions apply. See dealer for details. On approved credit. Dealer fees may apply. All new Honda vehicles eligible. Offer ends 1/2/2020. Valid only in California. Gingerbread Man voice not impersonated.
Coming up on KCBS.
Jim Ryan with 100
delivers San Francisco's aquatic park.
It's very cold today.
Of course.
KCBS News Time
49-degree weather.
Is talking about the Rose Bowl getting off to a thrilling start.
Sure did. Number 6 Oregon against number 8 Wisconsin. The Ducks took the opening kickoff, went 75 yards on 12 plays, capped off by a 4-yard TD run by quarterback Justin Herbert, but that 7-0 lead did not last long. Marin speedy returner, waiting at the goal line. Seemed to Lewis, the freshman, boots it to the 5. Crookshank looking for it. Green pitches high. He's in the clear. Taps it down the sidelines. Chris Fowler, the call, ESPN, 95-yard kickoff return for a touchdown by Aaron Crookshank. Then Herbert was picked off on the Ducks' next play, set up a 44-yard field goal. Wisconsin leads it 10-7, 5:07 to play in the first. Number 18 Minnesota upset number 11 Auburn, 31-24 at the Outback Bowl. Number 13 Alabama beat number 14 Michigan, 35-16 at the Citrus Bowl. How about Najee Harris out of Antioch High, 136 yards and 2 TDs for Alabama in that win. They finished with 11 victories for the 9th straight year. The 49ers added some bulk to their defensive line. They signed 32-year-old free agent Earl Mitchell, the 6'3", 310-pounder, 9-year vet, played 2 years with the 49ers before being cut in training camp this summer. To make room for Mitchell, the 49ers waived defensive back Antoine Exum. And in case you missed it, David Stern, the longtime former commissioner of the NBA, died today at the age of 77. Stern suffered a brain hemorrhage last month and has been hospitalized ever since. At the sports desk, Kevin Radich, KCBS.
Get more of KCBS anytime of the day or night with radio.com app. Download podcasts like 10 Questions with Stan and Susan, Insider Field with Tim, or go inside the KCBS News Vault. KCBS podcast presented by Mancini Sleep World. Visit sleepworld.com. The 49ers are the best team in the NFC.
Put together, but doesn't want to spend hours shopping? I hear you. This is why there's Stitch Fix, your personal styling service that delivers hand-picked clothes right to you. Stitch Fix is simple and convenient. Sign up in just a few minutes. Try new styles in the comfort of your own home, and there's no subscription required ever. So, isn't it time to refresh your look? Get started today. StitchFix.com. Stitch Fix, personal styling for everybody.
It's Macy's After Christmas Sale with our lowest prices of the season on furniture and mattresses. Like a trifecta gray queen bed, just $289. Update the living room with a Maya 2-piece sofa and love seat set for $1,499. Or a Bradley 5-piece chaise sectional sofa, now only $1,699. That's the savings lineup, now through January 5th at Macy's. Want even more perks? Check out Macy's Star Rewards and get benefits no matter how you pay. Savings on sale prices exclusions apply.
KCBS is an equal opportunity employer, and we encourage local community organizations to refer qualified applicants to us. You can receive KCBS and Intercom job vacancy information by contacting Human Resources at 415-765-4011 or by emailing sfhr@intercom.com.
You deserve to know the news when it's happening. That's why we're always broadcasting live from the Bay Area. We are the Bay Area's #1 news station. All news 1069 and AM 740 KCBS.
Don't find out your home insurance is outdated after it's too late. Visit myhippo.com to get a quote.
KCBS News Time 2:48. We head back to traffic on the Golden Gate Bridge. Here's Kim.
As you make your way onto the northbound span out of San Francisco, this update brought to you by Air Italy. Big draw, of course, the Golden Gate Bridge on New Year's Day. It's starting to cloud up now. So traffic is slow, due in part to the fact that the Vista Point parking lot is shut down today for the holiday. So drivers pretty much have to continue on to the Alexander Avenue exit. Oh, that's why. Yes. So southbound traffic is moving much better. the Bay Bridge, no delays on the span, upper deck or lower, but I do see a minor backup developing in the cash lane at the toll plaza. A lot of folks coming into the city for the afternoon and evening to celebrate the holiday. KCBS in studio also tracking a crash on 580 in Oakland with John Atkins.
We're seeing a few brake lights here, eastbound 580 and High Street. Highway Patrol, the crash may still be blocking the right lane. They're just awaiting the arrival of a tow truck. Really no big deal, about a quarter mile of stop and go traffic approaching High Street. After that, though,